Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. Thank you for your time watching my video. I am Joanna and Malik, 33 years old. I have a live-in partner. We have 4 children, ages 12, 11, 9, and 3. I am a Roman Catholic in religion. I am the youngest in the family. I have 4 brothers and 3 sisters. I am a high school graduate.
Do you have an experience before as a helper?
Yes, ma'am. I have experience here in the Philippines. I worked for 2 years.
And how many members of the family did you serve here?
4 members of the family, ma'am.
Who are
1
they?
couple, ages 24 and 20. 1 kid, age 3. And 1 elderly, age 60.
The elders, grandpa.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it healthy when you stay with them?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you need to take care also the 3 years old child.
Yes, ma'am.
So what did you do as a helper here?
I help him to go to sleep, taking a bath, preparing his food, and
And what else did you do as a helper?
I cook, ma'am, for them. I wash the dishes, wash the clothes, marketing, and feeding the pets, dog and cats.
How many dogs and how many cats?
3 dogs and 5 cats.
Okay, and you love pet.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family and to help my live-in partner to provide our daily needs.
Your family allows you to go abroad.
Yes, ma'am.
Who will look for your kids if you're going to Hong Kong?
My live-in partner, ma'am.
Okay, are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to look for a newly born baby in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with or share job with other helper?
Yes, ma'am.
How about sharing room with the kids or the baby?
Yes, ma'am.
There's a grandparent staying in the house. That's okay for you.
Yes, ma'am.
And your day off will not fall on Sunday. You will be given only weekdays off. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am. It's okay.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because I want to work. I want to earn money, ma'am, for my family.
How long you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as they need my service, ma'am.
Okay, you have message to your future employer.
To my future employer, ma'am, please hire me. I am a trustworthy, kind, and hardworking ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you very much. HL 2216.